Peace lily plants spathiphyllum are popular indoor plants known for their beauty and numerous benefits. Here are 3 key benefits. 1. Air purification. Peace lily are exceptional at removing common indoor pollutants such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air. They also help reduce mold spores, making them great for improving indoor air quality. 2. Humidity increase. Peace lily naturally release moisture into the air through transpiration, which can help increase humidity levels in your home. This added humidity is beneficial, especially in dry indoor environments, as it can prevent issues like dry skin and respiratory discomfort. 3. Aesthetically pleasing. Peace lily are visually appealing with their lush green leaves and elegant white flowers. They add a touch of elegance and tranquility to any indoor space, making them a popular choice for home and office decor.